So obviously we're going to be discussing some designing for return to work, but more importantly, seeing as we've got the hashtag animals of outro trending at the moment, I see you've got your cat in the room with you.
Yeah, I mean, people keep talking about the new normal, but I think for us, the new normal is dogs, kids, and cats in Teams meetings, really, isn't it? And I'll just introduce. I'll have to get him out of the room, but this is Mr. Tumnus. He's a Persian cat, and he is one of the animals of outro. So I'll just have to move him on. Let's get down to it then.
Cool. So we've penciled some time in today just to start talking about some of the products that Outro have got and how we can use them to adapt spaces for returning to work, which is obviously pretty prevalent at the moment. I guess one of the most widely used products over the last few weeks and months has been the adhesive-free products such as Outro Express Lay, Outro Wood Adhesive-free, and Outro Cantata. Why do you think they've been so popular so recently?
I mean, obviously we've had the products now for over 10 years. So we invented the adhesive-free, which was Express Lay 10 years ago, which was based on Outro Walkway. And the whole point of it was to be quicker and cheaper in terms of installation. So we've actually got, most installations are probably half the time as a traditional Adhesivefree floor would be. So people are trying to get back to work very quickly. And to replace a floor, they want to do it in the most efficient way possible. And to do that is probably to use an adhesive-free product because, as I said before, on average, it saves half the time. So a normal installation would take 4 days. This is going to take 2.
Right, okay. And I guess that has an impact on installation cost as well.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, we've got some stats and figures around that. So, there's no need to pay for adhesive. There's no need to pay for a DPM. There's no need to wait a day, really, for the adhesive to cure to start welding the product. You can get in and out really, really quickly. I mean, there is a video online. I think it's Royal Cornwall Hospital, which just sort of shows 2 guys installing the corridor, and they turn it around in about 4 hours. So it is a really, really quick and easy way of turning a space around.
And I guess that's what people need at the moment. If they're going to be, going into a space, pulling up an existing floor finish to make it more hygienic, more easy to clean, they need to be in and out fairly quickly, don't they?
Yeah, we're getting a lot in terms, and we spoke about sort of carpets before, but we're getting, especially in the sort of care sector at the moment, people are phoning us up and saying we're replacing, several bedrooms from carpet to vinyl. What have you got that's going to be a good solution? And it's not just, obviously Express Lay was the first generation that we launched 10 years ago. Now we've got Cantata and Wood Adhesive-free, Outro Wood Adhesive-free, which is much more decorative and design led. So you can actually have slip resistant, wood effect, dementia friendly. You've got a little bit of comfort underfoot because of the backing. There's no need for a DPM. Quite a lot of the time you can actually pull the carpet up and put the wood adhesive-free straight down over the top of it.
Again, we've spoken about this before. These products are tried and tested in some of the most harsh environments, hospitals, care homes, etc. So putting them into an area such as a workplace should be fairly straightforward.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, we've got case studies in Warrington Hospital, in Royal Cornwall Hospital, where they're actually used in the hospital streets. So, the busiest part of the hospital where you've got beds, you've got trolleys, you've got tugs, you've got pallet trucks, you've got all this traffic going on. And the main reason they used it because they cannot afford to shut these areas down because they're in constant use. There might be an emergency rushed through down that corridor. They haven't got time to pull up the old vinyl or marmoleum or linoleum or whatever product it was and put down a new screed, a new DPM, and then wait for all that to cure and then put the floor down. They need, quite a lot. Often you can straight away overlay the adhesive-free product onto existing vinyl if it's sound.